Beneath the deserts of central Qatar lies Misfir Cave, known as Dal al-Misfir, the Cave of Light, formed within limestone rock dating back more than 40 million years. The cave developed much later as rainwater slowly dissolved the stone over hundreds of thousands of years deep underground. Its walls are lined with delicate gypsum crystals that softly reflect light, creating a natural glow in the darkness. Hidden from the world above, Misfir Cave reveals an ancient landscape shaped by time, offering a rare glimpse into Qatar's deep geological history.